Hey there, new to YouTube. May I say? Sorry, I have the hiccups. First time on YouTube, not really good. But I'm just, God, I'm just new to YouTube and thinking about calling this the hiccup one. Yeah, and I'm new to YouTube. I know Mario Grunt's vlogs, Circle of Friends, Dominic, Cotton. I wouldn't watch one of his videos. It's really disgusting. He sings a rude song, and also KSI. I have two other friends who've not made a YouTube account. Mario Grunt Vlogs done one on called Friday. I do all time and that. So I'm new to YouTube. Thinking about playing games and stuff. Thinking about getting Xbox One or PS4 for my birthday. If you'd like to suggest any games or that, please comment below. Thanks. Bye.